Hello friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? I'm so excited that you're here, and I have a special announcement about the July collab that Susan and I are doing. So stay tuned and sit down for a minute and listen to this video because this is going to be a fun collab. So now let's see, how do I explain this? It's very easy and it's open to anyone that wants to join in. You can join in at home, of course, and if you have a YouTube channel or Instagram, you can post on those two formats. So what you do is post on Fridays, and I'll give you the dates in just a second, but we did a little spin on the Christmas in July. There's so many out there, so we wanted to do something a little different. So our collab is going to be called #HolidayCraftWithUs. Doesn't that sound fun? Ooh, I can't wait. So let me tell you about the prompts and the dates, and then I'll go over one more time about how to join in, and I will have all of this information in my description box under this video. So the prompts, today is July 8th, so we're announcing the collab today, and then next Friday, so this is all the rest of the Fridays in July. Next Friday, July 15th, now Susan typed this up and she put Christmas in here, so you can do Christmas in July if you want to join a fun, open, relaxed, no stress, no drama collab. This is probably the one for you, right? So but if you wanted to do patriotic journal or some patriotic crafting for Memorial Day and July 4th, and you never got around to it, this is the perfect opportunity to go ahead. Just backtrack a little bit and get your patriotic whatever out and do some crafting. And then you can also do, if you're itching to do some Halloween or Christmas, get that out. Just whatever, is upwards in your mind that you're like dying to do for a holiday, that you can do it. So anyway, the first Friday or next Friday is going to be make a whatever holiday ATCoin or / flat ornament or a cluster. So our prompts are optional. You can do whatever you want. You know what I mean? You can put your own spin on it. And so these are just to give you ideas. So I might do a cluster, and I'm kind of thinking Halloween. So just a little clue there about what I'm doing, and then, or hope to be doing, unless I get my Christmas stuff out. Maybe I'll do both. Maybe some fall too. Fall, Thanksgiving, that's a holiday. Just think about it. New Year's. Maybe you didn't get to do any spring stuff. Easter is a holiday. So anyway, the next Friday, make a Christmas journal card or holiday, whatever. I'll just say holiday instead of Christmas. Altered paperclip or notebook / gift list. So many options, right? So many ideas. You can choose one or all or whatever. And then the next Friday, which is the last Friday in July, make a holiday tag, bookmark, or envelope. Wow, I cannot wait. So items, here's some ideas and optional ideas that you can use to make your holiday crafts. Just so many things. You can use whatever you want, but a few ideas are napkins, doilies, book pages, bling, die cuts, wood veneer, scrapbook paper, postage stamps, rubber stamps, greeting cards, wrapping paper, gift tags. The list is pretty much endless. Fabric, lace, alphas or alphabet, stickers or whatever. Maybe you have some wooden pieces, alphabet pieces, whatever. Painty paper, ooh, and gold / silver. Don't forget about your colors. So if you'd like to participate, like I said, post your video or Instagram post on the Fridays. Anytime during the day, there's no certain time. Link Susan and I's YouTube channels, please, in your description box, or tag us on Instagram so we see you, and get a notification. So you'll be a subscriber to both of our channels, and also and let one of us know so we can link your channel in our description box. And be sure to use the hashtag holiday craft with us, all together with the hashtag all lowercase. And that way we could find each other also. And that way also, you know, when you use the hashtag, usually when you put it in your search bar, the most recent come up, you know what I mean? So you can see like, oh, there's 4 new ones today. And all these are from 2016. So that's something else, right? So yeah, that works really well. So that is it. I cannot wait for Friday to do some crafting with maybe some clusters. I don't know if I showed you. I might have shown you sometime, but I broke down. I've been wanting to get some for years, and I never just did it. But I finally did it this year, and I got myself some Tim Holtz Halloween ephemera. What did I get? 1 or 2? I think I got 2 packs. The ones they have, or the ones that are on Amazon, there's only 2 packs. Or maybe there's 3 packs on there. Anyway, I got a couple, and I can't wait to break those out and open those up and start using them. So that's why I'm doing Halloween. So I will see you in my next video. Everyone, you know, thank you for watching today. And be sure to check out Susan's, because she's always got lots of examples and ideas too. And you know, everybody's different. Everybody has different ideas, right? And they're great ideas. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe so you'll get a notification and hit that little bell when my next video comes out, which I do a video every day pretty much. And what else? If you give me a like, that will help my channel grow. You know, most YouTubers are wanting their channels to grow, so I'm not any different. And yeah, I think that is it for the moment. I will do some more talking in my next video about stuff like this, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.